I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Pisces, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for May the 14th to May the 21st reading. Yan, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Welcome to Timeless Tarot 111, also known as Babaylan TV. No? Marami tayong pag-uusapan. This is where the intellectual, spiritual people meet. Ayan. Or intelligent people meet. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. I feel like meron ditong physical na aalis ng bahay, or physically magmamigrate. Something here, you know, it felt like the energy is moving, like literally, it's not just moving energetically. Siguro may maglilipat ng bahay, or magre-renovate, or anong tawag doon? Mag-aayos ng mga bagay-bagay, ililipat yung, magre-rearrange, there you go, ng kwarto, no? I'm also seeing susi. Baka may nakawala ng susi. I'm not so sure. But one thing's for sure. This week will be an eye-opener. Either for you, for your person, for the both of you. Let's see. The King of Swords. Hanged Man. The Five of Wands. I'm seeing a bit of a challenges this week. Chances are, no, baka matabil ang dila. The King of Swords is a person who says things, no filters. So parang maiisip mo yata na, sandali, hindi ko ina-expect na makakapagsalita sa akin si person ng ganon. Hindi ko inaasahan na itong person ko, meron palang mga bagay na, yung merong kamaldituhan, no? I feel like conflicts are going to be dominant this week. Kasi with the Hangman here, parang maiisip mo, ito ba yung taong nakilala ko? For a few numbers of you, kung hindi man ito conflict because of away, I feel like a bit of a competition, no? With the Tower and the Six of Cups. And I feel like because of this conflict or competition, chances are magkakaroon dito ng a bit of a separation. Separation can be physical or energetic. Singles, I feel like yung sayo, iniisip mo yung past. It might be a trauma, or it might be a person that gives you that trauma. Kung meron ka mang gusto ngayon, iniisip mo yung sandali, baka mangyari sa akin uli yung nakaraan, no? Medyo mag-iingat-ingat ako ngayon. Doon naman sa mga may crushes and no labels, medyo hinto this week, medyo manlalamig, no? Baka mapapansin natin, hindi mo na siya nagsiseen ng ating My Day or ng ating stories. Ayan. Doon sa in relationship, parang ganun din. Because of the clashes. Ang married couples naman, I feel like meron lang maa-out na kulambo, may uuwi ng late, no? Um, kasi hindi naman para may gawing kakaiba, but more of kaysa magbanggaan kami kasi ang hirap ng married couple na sa iisang bubong kayo, eh, 'no? Kumbaga mag-iiwasan muna. Third party, ayan, medyo mas mafi-feel natin ngayon na I'm missing the person, hindi man lang ako kinalinga, hindi man lang ako kinamusta right after um, these arguments. Separated couple, medyo mas mafi-feel mo na medyo this week, medyo talagang nagwo-walk away, no? The Hierophant, buti na lang, the Knight of Wands, and the Three of Pentacles. Although, nandito yung challenges, I feel like mga ilang araw lang naman. No? The Hierophant kasi is a person who can apologize and yung parang it will not make me less of a person if I apologize. No, that's me being human. At least I know na nagkamali ako. And I feel like realization, enlightenment is also here for the Three of Pentacles kasi because of the silence, mas ma-feel or mas maiintindihan nito ni person na kaya pala, no? Mas kailangan namin muna magkaroon ng separation for us to understand how important we are. My person is, I am to my person, no? Mas pipiliin namin mag-reconcile and walk together, hand in hand, to fix the connection. I love this, the Ten of Pentacles, the Seven of Cups, and the Six of Swords. Yung iba naman, magpaparaya, more of, sige, masyadong, this will be a petty, sasabihin, a petty argument, sige na, no? Kesa mas pipiliin kong makasama ka kesa i-call out, no, yung mga mali mo. But I hope na meron ditong maka-understand, no, ng ito yung nagawa, ito yung kailangan baguhin, ito yung kailangan i-improve, no? With the Seven of Cups, the Temperance, and the Eight of Pentacles, siguro napaka-ikling away lang nito or misunderstanding. I feel like yung iba nga dito hindi ilalagpas within the 24 hours itong argument na ito. I just hope that itong eye-opener, no, na mangyayari sa atin this week will be a learning curve for this couple to expand their wisdom, to expand their understanding, mas makikilala si person, mas makikilala natin si person this week. That's for sure. Dahil makikita na natin yung bad and good side nila. So does the Pisces, no? Kasi dalawa ang Pisces eh. Para siyang yin yang. Kapag si Pisces kasi nagalit, medyo maratrat din yan eh, no? At hindi yan papatalo. So I feel like baka itong reading is for you talaga na ikaw itong magbubunga nga. And I hope kung ang nanonood sa atin ay cross-watchers, at least prepared ka na. So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago yan, Pisces, gusto ko pong ipaalala na dito po sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo dyan. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede po kayong magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no lang na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, no? Amount per questions, no? Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Taurus, Sagittarius, Pisces, Scorpio, Virgo, Capricorn, Leo, Cancer. I am seeing, yeah, you on. This is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.